Hi guys, welcome back to Empty Canvas. I know you have given me so much love to my previous videos and for the people who have subscribed it, thank you so much. And अगर आपने मेरे वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ जाइए और अभी 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 प्लीज़ जाके उस सब्सक्राइब बटन को दबाइए, बेल बटन को दबाइए and keep watching this video further. Okay, so let's get back to the work. I am doing an eye makeup today and I've thought like I have seen many people do makeups with like contouring and all with the lipsticks. So I thought why don't I do an complete makeup or just an eye makeup with lipsticks. Yes, you heard it. Okay, so we'll start by taking a mirror and we'll start with contouring. I'm using this lip shade from Swiss Beauty in the shade N215 Natural Cocoa and I will be contouring it with that. It's a very light shade. If you want you can take a darker shade, but I don't want too much of reddish look and also was not sure if that will help me with that. You can use a puff, but I'm using my finger because I feel the lipstick will get stuck with the puff and I'm more comfortable using my fingers. You see the lipstick is such a buttery smooth that it gets blended so easily. So as you can see the face fat is still there. So in order to remove that I'm using another lip shade from Swiss Beauty in the shade 33. This is a bit darker shade from the nude. So you see I love this color. I've almost finished. This color is almost finished and I'm gonna be using it to cover my face fat. So you see I'm not completely blending it, but I'm just pushing it downwards so that there is a shadow and illusion created that I don't have a face fat. This will give my chin its proper shape. It's a trick that I love to use. If you want you can also use it, but this is my trick. So now you see my face has got a proper shape and edge look. Now next step is the eye makeup. I'm just gonna be using a concealer from HR in the color number 02 for covering my blemishes and the under eye tone and the upper eye tone. I'm not a pro in makeup, I'm just trying my hands over it, and this is how I do my makeup before shooting a video. So if you like it you can also apply it according to that, but I'm not a teacher or a pro in makeup artist. I'm just any other girl trying to look good and trying to apply makeup. Okay, so we're done. Now you can see it's half white and half dark. So I'm gonna be using a BB foundation. It's not a foundation but rather a BB cream from Swiss Beauty, and it's not a full coverage but a very normal coverage one and super light for the skin. So now we are going to be using a puff. I love this puff because more than a brush, I love the way the puff helps you to blend your makeup. I'm more comfortable using a puff than a brush. I'm not doing in the neck, but people should do the makeup, both foundation. They should apply the foundation on the face and the neck, but I'm gonna be wearing a shirt which will cover my neck, so I'm not using it. So you see the makeup is done. Now I'm gonna be setting my makeup. For that I'm not using a loose powder, I'm using a Pond's powder, and this will work as a loose powder for me. It's an amazing trick. You can also use it if your loose powder gets over. You can use it, and it's an amazing way to set your makeup. So I'm trying to set the under eye so that there is no creases due to blinking and all. So we'll not blend the powder from the area, but we'll keep it for at least 5 seconds, and after that I'm gonna be using it all over my face. We'll just keep it for some time. So now we're gonna be counting and waiting to the makeup to get set, and yay, I'm just gonna remove all the powder that I have put on my face. I know I look so much white and bright, but I'm gonna be removing the extra powder on my face with a cloth. And now I'm gonna be doing the eye makeup. But before that, I'm gonna be filling my eyebrows. I have a very thin eyebrows, and it is from the time I was born. So filling the eyebrows is the first step for me. Now we'll do the eye makeup, and for that first I will be using a corrector because I feel there's a shimmer in this corrector, and the shimmer will give a base look for my eyeshadow. I'm gonna be doing my first shade, that is from Lakme and Enrich Satin in the shade PM12. It's a matte lipstick and it's in a hot pink color. So I'm gonna be using it as my first eyeshadow. You see the color is so light that it is not even visible on the screen. But it's an amazing lipstick for people who have a bright skin tone, and not for the people who have a medium skin tone just like me. So I decided I will go and pour it directly because it was not visible at all, and I needed a darker shade, so I'm gonna be using it directly. It's more convenient actually, and the texture of this lipstick is so buttery smooth now, trust me. It's an amazing lipstick. So my base is done, my first shade is done. Now I'm gonna be going for the lid, and for that I'm using a lipstick from LA18. It is in the shade of Rose Wine, and I'm gonna be using my finger. It's good to use a finger for the eyelid. So my eye makeup is done. I've applied the liner, and the best part and my favorite part, applying the lipstick. So as you can see, I've removed everything that was extra on my face, the extra powder, the smudge over my eyebrow, the right eyebrow. I've removed that, and now I'm just giving a final touch to my makeup. And without a kajal, Indian girl ka makeup will be totally incomplete. So just completing my look with a bit of kajal. And now I'm good to go. Oh sorry, the highlight for today's video is the DP Treats earrings. This is an amazing earrings in a silver. This is so amazing, and it goes well with both Indian and Indo-Western look. And this is my look. Let me know in the comments below if you love the look. Keep subscribing, keep sharing your love. And until next time, take care, goodbye. Thank you for watching.